Before you consider buying Doodle AG, there are 7 essential things you need to know. Doodle AG has been making waves in the scheduling software industry, but how does it really stack up against competitors like Calendly or Microsoft Bookings? Stick around and I'll break down the key points you need to consider before making a decision. Let's start with the fact that Doodle is known for its simplicity. It's a scheduling platform that's great for both individual users and teams. What sets it apart is its ease of use and flexibility. Unlike some other platforms that can get overly complex, Doodle's user interface is straightforward. It doesn't take a lot of time to get the hang of it, which makes it perfect for people who just need to get things done without the headache. Next thing to know, Doodle AG's unique poll feature is a game changer. If you're scheduling group meetings, this feature lets participants select the times that work best for them, and Doodle will automatically find the best time slot. This stands out compared to other tools that require you to go back and forth multiple times. If you've ever spent hours trying to coordinate schedules, this feature alone can save you a lot of time. The third thing to consider is pricing. Doodle offers both free and premium plans, but unlike some competitors, its paid plans are competitively priced for small businesses and teams. The free plan is perfect for individuals with basic needs, while the premium plans unlock extra features like group management, reminder emails, and the ability to remove Doodle branding. When comparing it to services like Calendly, which can get quite pricey, Doodle provides a solid offering at a lower cost. The fourth thing to note, integration capabilities. Doodle integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Calendar, Outlook, and Zoom. If you're running a business and already use these platforms, you won't have to worry about jumping through hoops to get everything to sync. This integration makes Doodle AG a great choice for anyone looking for a scheduling tool that fits easily into their existing workflow. Another thing that makes Doodle stand out is its ability to handle team scheduling. The platform allows you to manage multiple calendars, making it easy for teams to coordinate meetings without confusion. If you're a manager or part of a team that frequently schedules meetings, this feature is invaluable. While other scheduling tools do offer team functionalities, Doodle's solution is more intuitive and straightforward than many of the alternatives. Now, let's talk about customization. Doodle AG allows for quite a bit of customization in terms of branding and personal preferences. You can customize the design and layout of your booking pages to better reflect your company's brand. This is something that's often overlooked by other scheduling tools, but if you want your meeting invite to feel more professional or match your brand's look, Doodle gives you that flexibility. Finally, the sixth thing you need to know is customer support. Doodle's customer support team is known for being responsive and helpful. They offer support via email and have an extensive knowledge base, which can help answer common questions. While some of Doodle's competitors have slower response times or rely heavily on automated bots, Doodle ensures you get the help you need when you need it. If you're still unsure, here's a quick summary. Doodle AG provides a great balance of simplicity, powerful features, and affordable pricing. Whether you're an individual looking to streamline your personal scheduling or a business that needs to manage team meetings and appointments, Doodle has you covered. Its poll feature alone makes it stand out from the crowd, and its seamless integrations with other tools give it a leg up over some competitors. If you're looking to try Doodle AG for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You can get the best free trial offer and exclusive benefits, allowing you to explore all the features firsthand. Trust me, it's worth checking out before making your final decision.